Hey guys, so today I'm making a fidget spinner. So what you need for this is you need the spinners. And this I got out of fidget spinners. Like, you see these? They're the bearings of fidget spinners. You get the bearings. You need 4 bearings. And you glue them together. So you glue it like this and this. And you also need a hot glue gun. And then you can do it in any shape you want it to be. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like the regular fidget spinner. This is not really sticking, so I gotta have a wall on it. There, so now I'm gonna let this dry. Now I'm gonna let it dry. This doesn't even stick. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry. This doesn't even stick. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave that right here.
I just need to take a very small piece of you.
There. And now I'm gonna let that dry, so I'll be back in part 2.